Alright, making our way down a little bit here. Down to those overnight lows. Kind of rejecting off of them just a little bit. We're not really going anywhere yet, but could make a bear flag here. We'll see. Market really selling off now. We do have some news coming up in 5 minutes. Gotta be careful of. Delta's still a little behind price. Love, good morning. Welcome back to the stream. Yes, you're back. Glad to see it. Not too much going on so far. Market's kind of just selling off, but we're keeping our eye on it, of course. Waiting for a good setup, good opportunity. So we're finding a little support here, making our way back up. Made our way back to that 9 EMA right there. See if we hold right there, maybe make our way back down, or could be on our way to take out some highs. I'm playing Fortnite right now. Oh, nice. I got mine updated, so I'll probably play some a little bit later today. But yeah, we're gonna keep our eye on this trading for now. But that's awesome. I think there was a new update. That's why I wasn't able to play any yesterday. Are you enjoying the update? How is it? rejecting off that 90 MA there like we thought it might. We can read down to the lows. Not quite what we're looking for an entry to get in, but it is rejecting well there. Looks like we are going to take out those lows and continue lower. It's good. That's good. Always good to hear. I heard there's like a One Punch Man medallion. They can just like one punch anything. That's what someone in chat was saying yesterday. That second guy that joined, he was telling me about it. The gatekeepers and reload. Oh, I think I remember that shotgun. That's the one with 3 shots, right? Like the gatekeeper shotgun, if I'm remembering correctly. It's been a while, might be remembering it incorrectly, but I do love some good reload. That's what I usually have been playing recently. So I might have to check out reload, see what new guns they got. Alright, 7:45. We got a little news right now. I think it's the Chicago PMI. Bring the market down a little bit more. We got 15 more minutes until the University Michigan Sentiment Final. Not exactly sure what that is, but it's probably going to make the market move just a little bit. Oh, that was a bit of a slappy candle there. A little teleporty too. That thing just kind of went straight down there. Bouncing off this blue line I made a couple days ago though. I don't even know when I made it. But it's bouncing off of it. It must be a low from a couple days ago. But it's still holding up pretty well. Not bad news though, brought the market down almost 60 points from up here by the 90 MA. Yeah, we got 13 more minutes until the next set of news, which should also affect the market probably a little bit more than this. So you gotta be a little bit careful, but also still just waiting for a good setup anyways. Trying to make some money. As always. Still making our way back down though. Might be one of those days where we just kind of sell off and go lower and lower most of the day. But if we're lucky, we'll be able to get in on that and make some money with it as it goes down. Did I have a good day yesterday? Yeah, I'd say so. I mean, it was great. Great stream. Great, yeah, good day at work as well. Trying to remember. No, but it was pretty solid. When I watched my sister's soccer game and she won. She did well, so that was also good. Yeah, overall pretty good day. Nothing like too special, but definitely pretty solid. Obviously made some money trading. Had a good stream. So yeah, I can't complain too much. I guess how was your day today, since it's what, like 11:49 there in Australia? Mine is just getting started, but your day is over. Hopefully your day was better than yesterday though. Yeah, market really just selling off here. Kind of waiting for a pullback to get a chance to join in on this. But we're just not getting too much of any pullback here. Just going lower and lower. 10 minutes till news. It was nice. I was hanging out with my friends today. Nice. That's what I like to hear. Hanging out with friends is always a good time. I'm probably going to be hopefully doing some stuff later today with my buddy, maybe some couple of my friends, but at least one of my good friends. So we'll see what happens, see how that goes. Can never go wrong with that. Gonna make our way back up to that 9 EMA. Kind of find some support here, but also this could be the pullback we've been waiting for into the 9 EMA. Maybe build out that bear flag. Potentially keep our eye on it here. Kind of pushing through the 9 EMA there. Making our way back to yesterday's yesterday's low at the 72s. Kind of holding yesterday's lows though, making our way back down. It could be making our way back down. This could be kind of that bull flag or bear flag we were talking about. Holding that 9 EMA. Not the best. Not something I think I'm going to take just because we do have that bullish fair value gap there in the middle of the bear flag, which we're already kind of holding a little bit. Again, it doesn't always hold, doesn't always mean anything, but it definitely can. I think even yesterday, one of the trades I lost. I don't think I lost. I think I only lost like one trade, but anyway, we made it back, of course. But I think it might have been a similar thing. And yeah, kind of similar to this. Good little flag. But the fair value gap kind of bounced off of it. Stopped us out. If I'm remembering correctly, unless I didn't take that one, but there was definitely a trade like that happened that I was just kind of had my eye on. That doesn't always happen, but definitely something to be cautious of. And I mean, you can see it kind of bouncing right here as well. Even if we did make a little money, it's like now it's break even potentially, possibly getting stopped out. So better to be cautious on those. Did you get anything yesterday except the 400? Yeah, I actually did make. Oh yeah, I forgot you had to go around like 8:30, 8:40, a little bit past midnight, almost 1 in the morning your time. But no, yeah, I made I had another account that I was trading on. I made like, what was it? I'm trying to remember. Market's kind of playing out this bear flag here, but like I said, it was a little bouncy there, which makes it a little hard to be confident in. But actually, if I scroll back, oh, maybe it doesn't show the orders anymore. Maybe it only shows orders from the same day. But oh, that's unfortunate. Yeah, I can't remember exactly where they were, but yeah, I made like another kind of 380, 400-ish, but then I lost 380 or 370 or something. So I lost like most of it, but not quite all of it. But then I got $500 on the next trade, so I kind of just stopped there. So yeah, I made the 400 on that original trade and account, but then I made 500 on my other one. There we are, just kind of hanging out at the lows. It was a good pullback, good bear flag, but again, like I said, not perfect for me. Better safe than sorry. Every trade is risky money. Obviously, you got to risk money to make money, but why risk money? Or why risk more than you have to, right? If it's not perfect, if it's not exactly what I'm looking for, then it doesn't make sense in my opinion to risk that and have that opportunity to lose money and be wrong, when I could wait for something just a little bit better that I could be a little more confident in. News in 2 minutes as well. That's another reason why I kind of held off there, just in case it did take its time to do anything. So yeah, we don't really want to be caught in a trade with news in 1 minute now, because it could go up or down a lot really fast, which obviously could work out in my favor quite nicely, but also that's kind of gambling because it could also go very bad very fast. Yeah, let's see what happens. 30 seconds. See if it's any big, exciting news, or maybe it's just kind of boring. I hope the person who said you'll get 1,000 subs will be true. I do as well. I appreciate it. Thanks for the support. We're trying. We're doing our best, right? We're grinding, as some say. But just takes a bit of time. All right, here's the news. Oh yeah, this candle's already moving. Up and down, up and down. What's it want to do? Yeah, hopefully sooner than later, 1,000 subs. That's awesome. That's definitely a good goal right now. But I'm still under 100, so that's a first goal right there. 100 first, then we'll get up to 1,000. But no, yeah, definitely appreciate it. I'll do my best to make that come true. Looks like the news kind of did a little bit for seconds. Now it's kind of died off. Pretty much just a normal candle now. I was hoping for something exciting for the stream, but that's okay. As always, next week. Next week should have. So let's see what next week has. Next week doesn't have any crazy news, but it might have a couple things that could be exciting. We'll see. I had a bit of a pullback there. Kind of making our way back down, holding that, again, that blue line from a couple of days ago. Kind of crazy how I drew that up, and it's still holding. I mean, it's still something that's pretty good area just to kind of bounce off of. It's bounced off multiple times. Kind of went through it, but now it's bouncing off it the opposite way to go lower. But this could be a decent bear flag. It might just kind of go down right now, and that's fine. Sometimes that happens. Before, yeah, we're kind of waiting to. Yeah, we're kind of hoping it'd hold this a little bit, but kind of already went past it. Not building the best entry or bear flag for me, but it's alright. Maybe the next one, right? Maybe for a stream you should just game because you're good at gaming. I've thought about it. I obviously enjoy playing games and everything, but yeah, trading for me it's kind of like a little side hustle, little bit of a job. So I'm trying to make trading work, trying to make some money trading, and might as well stream while I'm doing it, of course. And gaming is just a little extra entertainment while I do that for myself and the stream. If I do stream just games, it probably would be later in the day for me, like in the evenings when I'm not trading. Thought about doing that, but just haven't done that yet. Sometimes I've been busy in the evenings, right? Hanging out with friends, or sometimes going on dates. Or yeah, just kind of working late. So it looks like not the best flag, but it is making its way back down. Looking good. But yeah, I've thought about it for sure. I mean, yeah, if I could get like a pretty big following, it definitely would be fun to stream, play games, and just chill. Definitely a lot less stressful than trading. But I think trading definitely help me make some more money, which right now is kind of the goal, so I can just be a little more financially secure, make buy a house, you know, save up money, all that kind of fun stuff. Gotta love being an adult, right? If I was younger, I definitely would be like, oh yeah, like I'm just gonna play video games and stream, and that could still work out if it pays me. But until it starts paying me more, then kind of gotta try and do what I can to make some money. Can you say a quote for the day? Ooh, I might have to think about that for a little bit. Don't want to let you down or anything with something not that good. But I guess something, let's see. I guess we'll say all good things in life require risk or require hard work. It's hard to find things that are freely given that aren't as valuable as the things that are earned. Oh, you got one? Let's hear yours. It's probably better than mine. Yes, I would love to hear it. Market's still just bleeding out here, making my lower and lower, almost to another blue line. So we got a couple we just made from a couple of days or weeks ago that are still here. But once again, we got right down to it and we're bouncing right back up. Kind of holding up for now. See if we pull back up there to that EMA. Again, looking to build out a nice bear flag, get in on this action, but also gotta play it safe, of course. If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. Whatever you do, keep moving forward. I like that. I think I heard that somewhere or something similar. That's a good one. Kind of reminds me of Meet the Robinsons, if you've seen that. Maybe that's what it's from, actually. Maybe not. But in Meet the Robinsons, the one guy, his like motto is keep moving forward. Obviously, it's a big theme in the movie. But yeah, not everyone can fly, not everyone can run. But if all you can do is crawl, as long as you're moving forward, that's progress, right? Or there's one quote or kind of idea that I remember hearing about just being 1% better every single day. Kind of a similar thing. Like some people, yeah, they might make 5% better in a day. They might be improving and kind of flying or running, right? But 1%, or heck, even 0.5%. As long as you're improving, even just 1% every single day, then eventually you'll get to 100%. Like I'm doing, exactly, right? As long as I keep streaming, as long as I don't give up, eventually, in theory, right, I'll get bigger, get those 1,000 subscribers, 100,000. No, that'd be crazy. You never know, though. You never know. Some people definitely get lucky a little bit, but I think in general it does. It just takes time, takes hard work, or with the quote, right? Just keep moving forward, and eventually it'll happen. I remember watching one of Ludwig's videos. I don't know if you know who that is. I mean, he's pretty big on YouTube and streaming. But he was talking about another streamer called Jinxie, who's also been pretty popular recently. And he was saying that for like a year or two, he was only streaming to like an average of 2 viewers every single day. There might have been a couple of days where he had like 5 or 10. But I think on average it was like 2 for like over a year or two, which is crazy. I mean, obviously that's kind of what I'm at right now. It's like 1, maybe 2, depending on if anyone else hops in and, hangs out. And yeah, it might take a year or two to get that momentum. But I mean, yeah, Jinxie, if you know who that is, he's one of the biggest streamers in the world right now. So keep moving forward. Heck yeah. Alright, back up to that EMA. Bounced off it really nicely. Still kind of struggling to make any good bear flags, at least for my standards. How long have I been streaming for? It's a good question. Not that long. It's not like a super complicated, but it's been a couple weeks now. Let me actually see if I can take a little peek. Actually, it might. Yeah, it's almost been a month, I think. I think I started, yeah, kind of end of July a little bit. Or actually, no, like July 17th was my first stream. So it's been like a month and a half, actually. A little longer than I thought. But I think since I've been streaming kind of consistently every day, it's been about a month, we'll say, yeah. Alright, still making our way lower. Still have yet to give me what I'm looking for, but sometimes that's how it is, right? Just gotta be smart, be patient. Don't let your standards diminish. If you have a high standard for what trade you're looking for, don't settle for anything less. Wait for what you want to see. Alright, little Bigger of a pullback there than 9 EMA. Wow, thanks for the little emojis. Appreciate the support. I will say, it's kind of nice being like a smaller streamer. Obviously, it would be nice to, have a couple more viewers, couple different people in chat, kind of, hanging out and asking questions or whatnot. But I know one of the guys I'm kind of looking up to a little bit right now, just with his streaming, and he also does like a similar thing where he day trades, he streams. He doesn't play games though. That's where I'm trying to kind of be unique and different a little bit. But he's got like 5,000 viewers right now. He's also streaming right now. But yeah, like just looking at his chat, like there's just like so much going on. And obviously he just kind of looks at the chat, sees a couple things that stand out to him or he notices, and he'll, respond or answer their questions. But I mean, it's it's almost impossible to keep up with 5,000 people. I can't even imagine even more than that. Some of the big streamers, they get like 80,000, 100,000 viewers at one time. That's nuts. Absolutely crazy. Can't even imagine. But yeah, a little easier to be more personable and have a little bit better of a conversation when there's only one, maybe two people. Alright, this could be, guess the person by the emojis. Oh, that's gotta be, oh, it could be a couple people, but I'm guessing Neymar. That's my first guess. We got a couple others. You got it. Let's go. That was my first guess, but I wasn't sure. I was like, shoot, it could be like Pele or Ronaldinho, but yeah, Neymar made sense. I do enjoy some good soccer, if you couldn't tell. I'm guessing you do as well, if you know who Neymar is. Finally, a good looking bear flag of sorts. But it's not quite. The only problem is we got this kind of move here. So even though this looks good, we've almost made like a little bit of a choppy kind of range, which means it could work out, but there's always that chance that we just kind of chop around, right? We get down here a little bit, bounce back up, and yeah, it looks like it's already kind of bouncing back up there. Good thing we did not get in that. Do you want to play a game? What kind of game? What kind of game are you talking about? I could be persuaded, potentially. Unless you're just talking about Fortnite. It might be almost about that time. It's called Guess the Flag. Oh boy. No, I'm down, I'm down. I'll give it a try. I don't know if I know my flags all too well, but I'll do my best. See if I can get it. Ooh, starting off easy, I see. Wait, just kidding. I shouldn't say that. I might mess it up. But that's Australia, right? I mean, that is where you're from as well. So maybe I'm just assuming that's what it is. But no, that's what it looks like, unless I'm tripping. No, close. It looks like it. So it's not Australia. Oh shoot, yeah, it looks a lot like it. I just looked it up. Not that I'm cheating, but so Australia has like the extra star below the British flag, and then the stars are it's pretty similar, but I have no idea. I'll think, but I cannot think of any other flag. Okay, yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Is like the stars on the Australia look white. I just couldn't. The emoji's a little small in my chat. They do look yellow though, but I couldn't tell if that was just like just a little mistake or something, you know. But no, yeah, that makes sense. So gold stars, not white stars. At least that's what it looks like to me. Could be making a trade here on the 5 minutes. Wait. It starts with a new. Oh, New Zealand, I think. Is it really that similar of a flag? I guess that does kind of strike me as New Zealand. That could be it.
Order submitted.
Alright, got an order there. 480.75. See if we bounce in and get that.
Order filled.
And kind of hope for about $1,000 here. It's a little bit bigger, but yeah, let's see if we can get it. Kind of nice flag here as well. Don't know if it's quite one I'm ready to take. You're right, let's go. Guess this one. Ooh. I want to say like Turkey or something, but I don't know if that's right. I think the Turkey flag might be a little different. But that's my initial thought, is like Turkey. Oh shoot, we're making our way down. Not looking the best. Might not be time for the reversal to go higher. Still hold here. Still, it's not too late. But we are struggling a little bit, making our way down. Dang, really coming down now. Got it, let's go. That's what I like to hear. Hopefully we hold up here and make our way back up. If not, that's alright. Part of the game, right? Win some, you lose some. It's this one. I think I know that one. That one's Saudi Arabia, I believe. I think I remember that one because of the soccer team. When they played, I remember they played Argentina in the World Cup. That was a pretty good match. They beat them in the group stages. Kind of crazy. Let's go. Got it. Alright, hopefully we got a lower, no. Hopefully we have a higher low here. Gonna hold in this level. Garav Z, welcome back to the stream. Alright, making our way back up to the CMAs, see if we hold them, push through. Guess this last one, ooh, Belgium. Unless it's another tricky one where it looks like it, but it's not, or it's different. There's a lot of those European countries that the flags are a little similar, right? Obviously New Zealand, Australia, that's Now I know. Now I'll never forget. White stars, gold stars. But yeah, that should be Belgium. Alright, higher low looking like it's playing out. Now we're going up a bit, looking pretty good. Got it, let's go. Looks like I know a little more flags than I thought. Oh yeah, now we're making our way up $300. A little bit of patience there needed, but we are back into profit. Almost making the little high on the 1 minute there. A little pullback. Yeah, a little volatile today. 22 on the ATR down here. ATR is the average true range, just of the kind of movement of the candles. So yeah, 20 is a bit higher than normal. And yeah, we were up 300 down, and now we're back down to like just 100 in profit pretty quickly. Are you a full-time trader? Yes, I trade every morning. Wake up, get ready for the market open, and do my best to make some money. Alright, making my way back up. Back up to $300 in profits. Looking like we want to take out this high and push higher. That's what we're here for. See if we can get it. So kind of just chilling here at the highs, waiting for something to happen. But it is looking good, looking good. Buyers are lagging behind just a little bit on Delta, but ES is looking pretty good. It's pretty similar. How much you make this year? Not a lot, but still figuring things out, still learning. And the market's been a little rough with the election. I don't know if you've been, or how long you've been trading, or if you are trading, but yeah, with the election last November and then with Trump getting into office, market's been a little hard to adapt to, just for me personally. But we're kind of figuring it out. We've been pretty profitable the last couple weeks, couple months, past those evals, and now we're working on these funded accounts. But yeah, last year I did make $12,000, I think, in propfirm payouts. Pretty solid. So yeah, not a ton. I'm still kind of new, still kind of working on it. But yeah, I have been trading every day for a bit now, trying to learn and figure it out. And I'm not always right, but I mean, obviously, right now I'm up $300 on this trade. Kind of hoping for a little bit more, but it's kind of struggling just a little bit. Definitely gonna keep our eye on it. Make sure we hopefully don't lose this trade. Still could happen though. Definitely could still happen. Looks like we are pushing the highs there again, up 450. Push in. Looking beautiful. Very beautiful. Yeah, so you got one account here that I'm working on, then another one over here. I tried a different strategy kind of on both, just kind of hedge my risks just a little bit. Your parents say you anything like don't do it or something? A little bit. They've been pretty encouraging for the most part. And then you see that I've been putting in, the work. They've been seeing that I've been waking up every morning, for the market, trying to trade. They've seen me make a little bit of money, obviously. But I think like most parents, they kind of look at it and they're like, oh, so basically you're gambling. And I think they'd prefer if I just got some other job or some other business and kind of focused on that. But I still do, work and make money on top of trading. It would be ideal to only have to trade. So I guess if when you're asking am I a full-time trader, if that means I don't do other work, I do trade full-time in the sense that I wake up every morning for the market and I trade like right now. But I do still do some extra work and stuff as well, just so I can still make some guaranteed money. Still kind of just holding on here, kind of struggling, kind of pushing the highs. We're not really breaking out. You live with your parents. Right now I do. Yes. So I can save some money on rent, live with them, helping them out a little bit, as much as I can, right? Do a little bit extra yard work and everything. But once I make a little bit more money, either streaming or trading, I'll probably gonna plan on moving out. It's pretty soon. Pretty soon. That's the goal. Alright, it's looking pretty good. A little bull flag kind of playing out here. Do you think we'll play 4 nights? Yeah, it's actually, we are in a trade, so we're obviously got our eye on that. So that's the priority. But I was actually going to see if it's all updated and see maybe get a game going while we wait for this trade to play out. Since it's a bigger one. I mean, if you see my other trades over here on this account, they're usually a little smaller. This is the 1 minute chart. So get in a trade, sometimes they only take 2 minutes tops. Sometimes a little longer. The market's a little stubborn. But then over here on this is the 5 minute chart, so candle is a little bit bigger. Not as many candles. So on some of these trades, risking a little bit more, like $1,000 obviously. But also trying to make a little bit more as well. And sometimes these trades do take a bit longer, like 30, 40 minutes. Sometimes not too long though, sometimes like 5 or 10, which is nice. But we've been in this trade for about 15 minutes so far, if my math is correct. But yeah, probably start a 4-night here in a second. Looks like we are pushing those highs again. This could be what we need to really get moving. Trade looking quite nice. Alright, pushing up, still pushing. Up $500. Might go break even here soon. Just take away that risk. Yeah, loading up Fortnite right now. Play some games for a little bit. But yeah, market's just been moving. I think I mentioned previously, I usually, even when I wasn't streaming, when market's kind of boring moving, that's when I'll play some games and kind of wait for the good setups and opportunities. Obviously, I haven't gotten a lot of setups, but market's been moving pretty well here. Not a lot of chop. So, I mean, a little chop down here. But in general, we've been kind of moving, kind of looking good. So we've been definitely keeping our eye on that. Okay, we got some more movements going up. If you're gonna play Fortnite, can I stream snipe you, but not to troll you, just to protect you when you're trading? Hey, I mean, you're welcome. You're welcome to do what do you want. I think there's a little delay on the stream, just kind of naturally. I might try and remove it in the future, but I think right now that's kind of how it is. So you are welcome. You're welcome to try. But I don't know how to do it personally. I'm not sure how people get in other games, so yeah, I mean, I won't stop you as long as you don't get me banned. I don't know if you will, but no. As long as you don't get banned for teaming, right? Cross teaming. But no, I think that's funny. I think. So I'm not too worried about being protected. My most recent short, it's kind of funny. I posted it last night, and I'm like making a trade. I'm like by a tree, and I can see like the two footsteps coming towards me. And I'm like, oh shoot! So I kind of had like a little late reaction, but I still got a little 1v2 in. Kind of killer. I guess we'll check out the. What is this? I'll play a game of Blitz just to warm up. But we probably will try and play some Reload after that, just because I do enjoy Reload a little bit more. Now, a little protection wouldn't be bad, but at the end of the day, I don't care too much if I die. Here to have some fun, obviously get some cool moments, right? Some fun games. But yeah, if I die because I'm trading, it's like not the end of the world, especially if I'm making $400, you know. Yeah, we'll go break even here just to take off some of that risk. If it pulls back kind of all the way down there, which it looks like it. Oh wow, it's kind of just pulling back. Hopefully we hold up here and keep going higher. But we are going to play it safe. We don't want to lose this. Obviously, I don't want to lose $1,000 after being up almost 600. But looks like we are kind of holding those AMAs here just a little bit. Slowly but surely stepping our way higher and higher. But it would be nice to see a little bit more of a push. Get back up there to that blue line potentially. That'd be a little bit better. Kind of what we want to see. Looking good, pulling back up there nicely. Oh, looks like they did update the map. Yeah, we got the Citadel thing. Yeah. Oh, we are coming back down. Might get stopped out. I don't even know if I know what this rifle is. Would I get mad at you? No, probably not. I don't get. I wouldn't get too upset about that. Especially if it's just like a warning. I might say like, oh yeah, now we know. Probably shouldn't do that anymore. but sorry, I'm in a game. I thought I switched it over, but it's a black screen. Hold up, hold up. Alright, that should be good.
Stop filled.
Alright, looks like we are pulling back, breaking those lows there. Stops at break even, but I'm not too upset. Just since it is a pretty good spot to go break even, and obviously, I mean, yeah, we're making those lows here, breaking those lows, which means we could definitely sell off quite a bit. Still don't have a shotgun. I'd very much like a shotgun to feel a little bit more confidence. Some sort of movement would probably help too. Oh no, this guy, he does have a shotgun. Grab some of his stuff. Good aim, you got this, heck yeah. My game is feeling a little bit weird. I don't know if it's the stream or something. I might have some settings wrong. Oh. Aim wasn't good there. We're still warming up. Oh yeah, scars. Or skies. Scar. I don't know if I like the icy feet. Kinda nice for moving across the map, but a little annoying when I'm fighting. Ooh. And we won. Quick game. Forgot how quick the blitz games are. 8 kills. Not too bad. Maybe one more blitz. But yeah, it's a lot of fun, but they can be a little quick. Yeah, we are selling off now. Good thing we went break even. Still a good trade. I mean, still like worked out well enough. We were up like 600 bucks. Probably should have locked in a couple hundred or something. But at the end of the day, like, if I'm not losing money, it's not that, I don't know, not the end of the world, right? It's Friday. Sometimes Fridays aren't always the best for trading, so I'm not going to be too upset if we don't make anything crazy today, but we're going to do our best, obviously. Looks like we could still be selling off here. We could be going for the lows. But not a bad bounce there, kind of, with our trade there going up. Didn't make it to our target, but we still did quite well. Made it, yeah, up 600 out of 1,000, so basically like 60%. Yeah. All right, scheme number 2. Oh, I think I saw a clip. I think if you do this flag thing here, you'll get the medallion. Maybe not. Did I miss it? Do I have it? I don't. But I do have this movement thing from someone's shooting me. I love the Spire rifle. Oh, he just got hit with the hammer. Oh, he's still going lower, back down to that blue line. They're just kind of chilling in the water. Probably not the smartest for them. Oh, we're taking a little damage now. Oh no, I missed. I might need to heal up here. Ah, shoulda healed up. I got too cocky. Still got 10 kills, more than last game. Can't end on a loss though. So one more blitz. Let's see if we can get that medallion. I don't know where to get it. I thought you just get it from that flag thing, but I didn't see it. We did break the lows there though. So yeah. Could still be making more lows and lows there. Just going lower and lower today. See if we can build out a bear flag. Bounce out this 9 EMA. That's kind of what we're going to be looking for another potential trade. Alright, we'll land here again, see if we can get it. Probably should do a little looting though. Still making more lows. So I'll take a bush. I don't know if that rifle's good, but I know the Spire is, so I'm gonna keep this. Still no shotgun. Well, I guess not still, but I know last game I couldn't find one in the beginning either. Yeah, no medallion. Nice try, buddy. Nice try, buddy. Let's see. That guy or these guys? This guy. Oh, there's two of them. His teammate abandoned him. Oh no, I went the wrong way. Drink this. Make sure we're all reloaded. Nice. Kind of making a flag here. We're keeping our eye on that. No, I did not want that. Oh, we're taking that. This thing. Oh, a little no scope there. Oh yeah, these guys I'm gonna have some trouble with, I think. Coming to me pretty good. I'm not sure what he hit me with. But it kind of like dragged me towards him, which kind of threw me off a little bit. Got his teammate though. Oh, he died to storm. Alright, well they're gone. Just one more team left. Could be... be a decent... Wait, wrong button. Kind of a bear flag here. It's not the prettiest though. One person left. $100. 202. That's a nice pump. $14 kills. It's a little bit better. A little bit better. Trade's kind of playing out here. Yeah, I think it is a pretty decent one. But it's just a little kind of inconsistent with the wicks here. I'll remove the line so it's easier to see, but you got this one, then this one goes lower than this one, and just a little kind of messy. Yeah, kind of pulling back already just a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna switch to some reload. Play a couple games of reload. Check out the new guns in that. Didn't find the medallion. Not sure where the one punch medallion is, but never found it. Yes, sir. Another win. Reload will probably be a little sweatier, but I like the thrill. Yeah, we did take out those lows. Bear flag looking good despite low resistance. Yeah, we might be missing the window of trading here. That's right, it's almost 9. Yeah, 9 o'clock. Yes, I am doing zero build. I'm too old to do builds, not gonna lie. I'm just joking mostly, but yeah, no, I can build okay, but once everyone starts doing like the triple edits and the quadruple whatever's, they get too sweaty. Like they start building a mansion, I'm sitting there just like, I don't have the energy for this. I just want to shoot people. So I like zero build because then I just shoot people and then I use my movements. I'm pretty good at like movement and stuff. So then I can still takes skill. I just don't have to do the crazy edits and the crazy building everything. So that's kind of what I've been preferring for the past couple of years actually. So yeah, I usually just play zero build. Ooh, market pushing up now, almost to this high. Kind of hold on with there at the 21 EMA. Sorry, trying to get another game here, but it's doing like the, what's it called? Preparing to download for whatever reason. So that might just take like a second. Hopefully not too long. Let me try like on-reading up and doing it again. Guess has to like download a little something before I can play some reload. But to take the highs there. Might be looking for some longs now. Might be a little reversal here. We will see. We will see. Potentially could be the low of the day here. Still just kind of holding up there at the 20 EMA. Still waiting. Okay, we're good. Now we're finding server. It's about time. Gosh dang. Just kidding. Could be looking good here. Kind of holding up still, but we could still kind of bounce this fair value gap and these EMAs and get that push up. We're also sitting here at this blue line I made a while ago. Dang, still just holding there though. That's like what, 1, 2, 3 times it's tried to get up here, and it just kind of gets the wick up there and then it closes back down. Could be almost a bull flag. We're not really in an uptrend yet, so it's could be a little soon to take it. But hey, you never know. Might kind of take these wicks out here eventually. but we also could not. Alright, there's the push through the wicks. Pump it up, pump it up. Do you think my support helps you? Oh, 100%. Like I said, talking to no one, it's a lot harder in general, but also, even if I wasn't talking to no one, I think I'm still learning how YouTube works and everything, but I think even just someone watching the stream, someone chatting, it helps the algorithm, which helps kind of promote the stream a little bit and helps other people find it. Because if no one's watching it, then it's a little harder for people to kind of find something that no one's watching, if that makes sense. But then even just one person, two people, it makes just a little bit of difference where it's a little easier to help other people find the stream, help the algorithm pick it up, show it to more people. So I definitely say so. Yeah, Ludwig, he did like a little experiment recently. He started streaming, like he's already a big streamer. He gets like tons and tons. I miss smoke grenade. That sounds kind of fun. But he gets like tons of viewers. I mean, obviously super big. Sorry, I just had a notification on my phone. I'm trying to. Phone's kind of bugging out here. It's not working. Hopefully it'll work in a sec though. Jeez. Wasted a little fizz there. A little distracted, but we're back. We're locked in. Just need to find a shotgun. Here we go. Not the best shotgun, but I mean, we'll take it, right? Rapid fire. No, I don't think I want that. I've used most of these guns at some point in my life. My Fortnite career, or whatever you want to call it. Oh yeah, I want that. Oh yeah, mammoth pistol. Might hold on to this too. Oh, my shotgun. It didn't shoot there. I don't know if you saw that. Oh. This guy's gonna give us some trouble. Both of them. Gotta lock in here. Looks like 134. Where it's pushing higher. I might as well push this. Oh no, that tree messed me up. Alright, still got him. But no, yeah, like started saying I got a little distracted there. But Ludwig started a stream on a brand new channel on his brand new Twitch account. And his goal was to stream until he got a single viewer to start like chatting and stuff. I think it took him like 5 hours of streaming. And he's like a big streamer. Like he didn't hide his face or anything either. He had a face cam, he had all the typical things. So there should be like no reason for him to not get good viewers, because obviously he's a good streamer. And normally he gets like 20,000 or more, I think. Oh, I got sniped. Yeah, it took him a long time. Just kind of proof that when you're stuck in like the 0 viewer kind of jail, it can be hard to get out of. Sorry, there was something in my throat. I can't go if you want me to, because I'm just a kid. I'm a kid, just saying. If you want to say like I can go, I mean I don't mind. Like I said, I think it helps the algorithm. Just having someone in the chat, talking, watching, leaving a like and everything. It helps, and then it helps other people find it. But I would say like I think I am here to play some games, get some cool clips and everything. But trading is kind of my main goal. And I don't think, the other day you were asking about trading, I think you do have to be over 18 to trade. So that's kind of my hopefully target audience, you could say. Oh, nice. 69 damage. Kind of just taking shots here. Gotta love the mammoth pistol. They probably do gotta get some kills here, so we can get more ammo. Oh, this guy's probably gonna kill me. Oh my gosh. I have 1 HP. That's insane. Oh my gosh. Now, yeah, it's up to you. I mean, if you enjoy the stream, you're welcome to hang out. And I mean, I will play some games, obviously, here and there while I trade. But I messed up the big pot there. Take that blue pump. Well, actually, there's a purple gatekeeper like you're talking about. Might have to pick that up. Shockwaves. Alright, let's go get in on the action here. Nice. Nice. Gold mammoth, heck yeah. I will hang out a lot. Heck yeah. Oh, this guy came out of the skies. Oh, this guy. No mercy, holy crap. He's still on me too. My only hope is to... Oh, I messed up. Come on, come on. Oh, I can't buy any more. Wait, no. I'm gonna die to storm. Okay, I think I'll have to go all the way over there. Might be able to get this med kits. I didn't grab it. I'm not in a good spot. I don't think he knows where I am. Put this here in case I need to run. Yep. And I'm out. Put some bunkers down. Oh, sorry, gotta lock in here. Didn't mean to do that. Don't know where this guy behind me went. Oh, they're down there. So I think it's this team of two, and then another team of two. Hopefully they fight each other. I can't fight 4 people. Oh shoot. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to win this one. Oh jeez, he's still up there. I couldn't see him. Scared me. Oh, that should have hit. Yeah, I'm gonna die. I can't fight all these people. Yeah, I was gonna say, even though I got those guys, I'm just gonna get cleaned up by the other team. 11 kills. Not bad, but not great. Have you ever thought of playing ranked to see your true skill? Yeah, actually I did play ranked for a little while. It was like a good couple weeks or month where I kind of grinded it just a little bit to see how I could do. I think I could do pretty well. I could get pretty high ranked. It just takes a lot of grinding. Takes some time, and I don't really have like. I play solo, so and like solos, it's good. And like when you're just playing like solos like this or solo duos, it's fun. And I feel like solo duos is where I can kind of test my skill a little bit, like just barely. But it is a little hard to solo ranked. It's not like hard. It's just not as fun because once you get to like the higher ranks, actually I can just like show you. Where is it? See, I don't know if you know what this skin is, but it's like a ranked skin. And yeah, it's basically like the highest rank you reach, it kind of gives you like a different style, different color, like diamonds or platinum, then diamonds. So I did get elite in reload ranked solos. So looks pretty, I mean, pretty cool skin. I used to use it pretty often. Sometimes I switch to that diamond skin though, because I like that as well. But yeah, I played ranked, got up to elite. But once you get to elite, I mean, I almost got champion. I should have just like grinded a little bit more to get champion because I think I could have. And I might be able to get Unreal 2 if I kept playing, but I just got a little burnt out. And like the hard part too, at least in Reload especially, the Unreal skin is kind of nice though. But I do like the elite. Looks pretty clean, pretty good. Looks like a brand new season or something. Yeah, I haven't played. I'm only level 6 right now. What was I trying to say? Yeah, when you play ranked solos on Reload especially, there's just not like a ton of people. Like even Reload 0 build, 16,000 players. And compared to like Blitz, normal 0 build, normal Battle Royale, or even normal Reload, 80,000, 100,000, 80,000. There's just not a lot of people playing 0 builds. Still plenty. Like I can still find games obviously and have fun. But I think if I do ranked, I'm not sure. Yeah, ranked, reload. Ranked reload sells a bit, but ranked 0 build, I'm not sure where to even see that. I guess if I change this. So yeah, not ranked this season because it's just brand new season. How do I get back? But ranked reload, only 7,000 people playing. It's not a ton. And when you get to the higher ranks like elite or champion, it takes like a long time to find a game. And that's like the biggest part that's kind of annoying that I found, where I kind of gave up. Or not gave up, but I just didn't have time for it. Like to find like a game and queue up for like the next game would literally take like 20 minutes sometimes. Like you click play, you click ready up, and then you have to sit there and wait like 20 minutes before you get in a game, because it has to find other people that are like elite rank or diamond and higher. And yeah, it's just a little annoying. So yeah, that's the only thing that's like not the most appealing. You know, I want to play the game. You know, I appreciate like the ranked, like trying to test my skill and obviously get the ranked rewards just like anybody else. But if I have to sit and sorry, I can't speak, but if I have to sit and wait 20 minutes to find a game, that's just not fun. I play games to have fun. Yeah, if I was like a professional, or if I was even streaming kind of a little bit more full time, and I was like an actual like gaming streamer, like Ninja or something, Tfue, I don't know what they do anymore, but I know they used to stream and play Fortnite a lot. But I don't know. Obviously, if I was like them, playing every day, streaming, trying to prove that I'm the best, yeah, I would play ranked, take the time, and obviously it'd be kind of worth it because it'd pay me. But I'm just at the point. I don't really care to be the best. I just play for fun. So if it's not fun, I usually don't play it. And another thing with solo reload as well is everyone just camps in bushes. At least in zero build. Like with build, I'm sure it's a little bit better. But in zero build, everyone just hides in bushes or like the bunkers. Which makes sense. I mean, because you don't want to get shot, you don't want to die. And actually, it was fun. Like it was pretty fun being competitive, and I did enjoy it quite a bit. Like I didn't mind the camping too much. And I had some pretty good games that I remember. But the biggest thing for me was just having to wait 20 minutes to play, where I'm already in a game. It's been like 1 or 2 minutes of reading up, and that's a lot better. To me, that's how it should be. You know, I'm here to ready up and play. Plus, I don't think I could do ranked while I day trade, just since if I lose my rank or my rank goes down, and that's definitely the more on the frustrating side. So obviously I'm here to trade, play some games while I trade. But yeah, I can't exactly be taking breaks and trading while I'm in a ranked game. If you know what I'm saying. Oh, a lot of people dropping here. This is gonna be so much fun. Real sweaty. Got on Gatekeeper already. I do like it. I like that it has 3 shots, but I kinda think I might still prefer a standard pump. The good old G. Grappler there, that'll be nice. Oh, combat, this is real nice. I'm gonna have to play this a little sweatier. Just got a lot of people around, don't want to get third party that are cleaned up. Don't have any shields yet either. Gotta love. Combat AR. Probably the most OP. One of the most OP guns in the game. Oh, this guy's trying to mess with me. Oh, this guy's gonna steal my kill. I shouldn't push this. Yeah, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna say the other guy's gonna clean me up, third party me. I just want those kills. I got greedy. Kind of just holding the CMA, but also potentially breaking through it here. Sellers coming back. Push up here. Could be get it up there past the 88s. Could be a nice little buy.
Order submitted.
Market's definitely slowing down a little bit here. But it looks like it might be making its way down, not up,
Order canceled.
which is fine. It is what it is, right? Yeah, pulling back pretty nice. I don't know where the loot is here. I don't know if I've really landed here before, but we'll give it a try. Do this tack. It's a good starting weapon. This guy's teammate. Oh, this guy still has shield. Yeah. It's a little unfortunate I couldn't find any shield. Also, I was a little aggressive there. Sometimes I underestimate people because I just want to get kills. Also, I might not have switched over. Oh no, I did. I'm not just watching back the stream on my laptop. I was gonna say I just wasn't alive very long. I just looked over and I was like, wait, did I forget to switch it to the game screen? Now we're chilling. Now we're chilling. Finding a next match. I'm taking out these lows here. Sellers could be in charge again. Could be making our way lower now. Alright, let's see if we can get a win. Got close to that first game. And last couple games we've just been a little too aggressive. Not quite locked in. Of course, there's no weapons. That'd be an unfortunate way to die. Is that a person? Sitting with the emote. What region are you in? I'm in US Central, I think. Can I see? Some of my settings maybe. No, I'm in North America West. Sometimes I'm in Central though. I think it just depends on the day which one's faster for me because I'm kind of in between the two. Which would probably mean it'd be a bit difficult to stream snipe or anything like that, just because if you're on my servers, you're gonna have a lot of lag. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep this. I do like the gatekeep, but having only 3 shots is a little hard sometimes. Just like with how I'm used to playing. I'm sure I could still make it work. I just need to kind of get used to it. Alright, I got a person here. A couple people here. Luckily we got this combat. But I probably don't want to be too aggressive here. Just with multiple teams around. I won't care. Oh hey, good for you. That's something I'm pretty picky about. Like I said, I like to play for fun. A little competitive too, of course. But if I'm lagging, it's not fun for me. I'm too spoiled. With decent internet. Not the best, but I'm getting like what, 20, 30 ping? Yeah, there's someone up here. Yeah, this thing just lasers people. It almost feels unfair. Not actually, though. Like I missed every shot. It's kind of hiding behind the loot. Not a bad strategy. Still kind of hoping for a better shotgun, potentially. I do like attack, but I think I'd prefer a pump. Oh, I just realized as well, that one game I was sweating a little bit to try and stay alive. The reason I couldn't buy more heals from the vending machine is because I don't have any gold. I only have 405 because it's a new season. I'm used to always having like maxed out 5,000. Alright, there's a pump. New grappler. Yeah, they're taking out. I do see these footsteps. Oh, that guy almost got me with the mammoth. That would have hurt. Okay. People knocked on both sides. Both teams. This means I can clean up. Ooh, still reloading. Oh no. This other team, I don't know where they came from. I was not expecting that. Trying to heal up a little bit. Let's see, let's go to that supply drop. See if we can get anything good over there. Need some more movement. There's probably someone in here. Nope. Not very smart. Behind this bush. Got him. Take the mammoth pistol. If I can kill one of them, should be chilling. But if they both attack at the same time, I might be kind of boned. Trying to get storm advantage here. Might go now, it is late, so I hope you have a good rest of your day and someone chats with you. Thanks, appreciate it. Thanks for coming and hanging out. No pressure, yeah, no pressure to stay forever. Probably be done here in the next 20-30 minutes anyways, but no, yeah, appreciate you hanging out. See ya. Oh no. Alright, I can't shoot through that. Ah, not that though. Once again, 2 people are knocked. Nice, there we go. There's the reload when we were waiting for. Good endgame there, 15 kills. That's what I like to see. checking out the battle pass here. See if there's anything exciting. So far, I'm not too impressed, but also it's kind of hard to impress me sometimes. Not gonna lie. Cool skins aren't bad though. Power Rangers, kind of cool. On the bonus rewards you can see. Kind of cool. This one's a little less cool. I don't like the green hair. But I do like the jacket color. I think this is cool. Ooh, this one is pretty dope. Not gonna lie. The red hair. Throwing me off just a little bit. That's not bad. The red. I do like the suit color. The dark red. Kind of cool. Oh, this is really something. I don't think I'd ever wear it, but it is pretty cool. I don't like the big clunky skins. Make it like, even this one kind of makes it hard to see sometimes. This one's kind of cool. I almost like this one. Like the best. This blue and purple. Looks sick. Oh, see if we level up enough. I guess we're already level 9. We just played a couple games. It's been less than like an hour, I think. Yeah, about an hour. So our first game was at E42. So we got 3 wins today. 1 second place finish. Not too bad. Trading's been a little, not bad, but just it's not a lot of setups. I don't know, nothing really screaming at me that I want to take. Makes it a little tough. Had a kind of break-even trade. I mean, $20, I guess. So we're up $14 on that account, right? Profit. Kind of just been selling most of the day. Missed a couple kind of bear flags, but they, so far each and every one of them just wasn't, it was missing something, which is why we didn't take it, obviously. Yeah, and then since then it's kind of just been, went up a little bit, went down a little bit, up a bit. Not going anywhere too crazy, kind of just chilling. Might keep an eye on it for a little bit, but I don't know, almost 10 o'clock, top of the hour. It's Friday, weekend. Got some stuff gotta work on, so it might be about that time for me. Call it a day. Yeah, nothing too interesting happening. Oh, I guess this is almost like a flag here. But again, kind of not, still not quite what I'm looking for. I need more if I'm going to be confident. But yeah, might keep my eye on it while I work on some other stuff. But yeah, probably gonna call it a stream. Good day though. Good Friday. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Have some fun. Chill a little bit from work or school or whatever you may be doing. Yeah, I'll be back Monday. Nice and early, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Market open. Yeah, I'll see you then. Peace out.